my lovelies. Thank you for tuning in to the channel today. Today, we got a banger, you guys. This is a banger of a job. This job is Sam approved, okay? So, let's talk about this position from Target. This position from Target is remote. This position is six figures. This position is like $123,000, you guys. This is a very, oh my God, this is a very wonderful opportunity, and I want you guys to jump on it immediately. I hope you guys jumped on the jobs that I put in my last video yesterday. I hope you jump on these jobs immediately because they will go fast. You guys, get the resume kit, jump on these jobs. With the resume kit, you literally can apply for these jobs within 10 minutes of receiving the kit. That is how easy it is. It is a plug and play kit. But before we get into more about the kit, I want to give my shout outs out. So I want to give my shout outs out to Miss Nicole H, Miss Yuritsa H, and Miss Stephanie B. They have been hired. So they have got hired at some spectacular positions for my girl Nicole H. She actually landed a six-figure $169,000 job using the resume kit. She said she spent 10 minutes. She did not think that she was going to be able to get called. She did. And that is how important your resume is. Your resume is literally your very first impression. So, on your resume, use the resume kit because it is amazing. It's no work, and it is all the power words that you need in order to be able to apply for these jobs, get the interview, and snag the jobs, you guys. That is the whole point of this channel. I want you to level up, get that six-figure job, get the resume kit. It is vital. You need it. Okay, but let's jump right into the jobs, you guys. Before we get into the Target job, I do have another job. It's amazing. So let's go. All right, you guys. So this job is from Wescom Credit Union. Let's go over this job because I picked this job for you guys because it's little to no education, but it makes some fantabulous money, you guys. All right, so this is for a contact customer service representative. This is a remote position, you guys. I'm only doing high paying. This channel only does high paying remote positions because if it's not remote, what are we even doing? And if it's not high paying, I'm not going to even put it on here. So this job is full time. It was posted 2 days ago. Get I'm not going to say this again. Get the kit so that you can have a professional resume and so that you can apply within 10 minutes. I want your resume to be the first resume that they see, and I want this resume to be professional. If you need to book a call, book a call. If you don't, that's fine. All right, but still get the kit. All right, so this job was posted 2 days ago. This says, we value and rely on the unique talents and contributions of our employees to absolutely excel in member engagement by delivering signature experience. So basically, they're saying, hey, you got to be on your toes for this position. All right, so let's get into the pay. I like how they put the pay first. They are saying they are paying from $21 all the way up, depending on your experience, to 31.94. 31.94 to work remotely and to answer phones. Think about that. Think about that. You are able to work in your PJs for $31 an hour. And it's so crazy because there are a lot of warehouse workers that are working for a lot less than that. Get on this job, use the resume kit. Okay, so let's dig into this position just a little bit more. let's go down and let's look a little bit deeper into this position. Let's go to position summary. It says the telephone service representative is responsible for providing a high level of member service in a fast-paced, multi-contact call center. Provides specific, accurate, timely information to members regarding credit union policies, procedures, savings, and loan products, and current marketing promotions, as well as account information in accordance with credit union policy. This position is responsible for resolving member inquiries and problems at the first point of contact. This is another skills job. This is another skills job. This is another minimum education, skills based job. That is why it's so important to get the resume kit because it has the skills. Every job that I pick for you, it has the skills that is on the resume kit, and all you have to do is plug and play. All right, so let's get into essential function position functions. It says it maintains high level of member services, promotes advocacy, and continually focus on improvement in member survey ratings. Assists members in establishing and maintaining share and loan services by asking probing questions, exploring options, and completing necessary documents and performing data entry of records in compliance with audits requirements. Attracts new members and support member and account retention. Assist members with loan information, including all consumer and real estate loan products and rates. Assist members with saving information, including IRA and term certificates. Serve as the first point of contact. Serves as the first point of contact for account inquiries regarding Wescom's credit card profile. Answers members telephone and or electronic inquiries and provides information in accordance with credit union policy. Assists members with balance inquiries, statement requests, stop payments, credit and debit card inquiries, APS, check by phone processing, and other account related needs. Serves as member advocate to resolve service issues and problem resolution. Supports Wescom's e-commerce initiatives such as bill payer services and e-branch supports by being the first point of contact for account maintenance and problem resolution. Supports growth objective by offering credit union products and services and referring members to credit union CUSO products, other credit union partner vendors. Meets personal development and training objectives established by department management and completes Wescom University's core curriculum. Ensures that the physical environment of assigned workspace is maintained according to Wescom standards and that personal appearance reflects the desired level of professionalism and performs other duties other related duties as assigned or requested. So as we see here, guys, like I said before, this is another customer service skills based job. So when you go to do your resume, they're going to look at your resume and see, does your resume line up with the skills that are needed, because you're going to be the first point of contact for the company. That's why I say it is vitally important that your resume speaks for itself as well. Your resume is your calling card. It is the first point of contact with you. And that resume is going to show them how you're going to be the first point of contact for their clients. So make sure it is professional. Make sure it has all the keywords. You know what I'm about to say. Get the kit. Okay. Education and experience. It says a high school graduate, no degree. This one is no degree, guys. No degree. Go apply for this one. Previous financial industry experience and call center experience preferred but not required. Do not cheat yourself out because you do not have all the quote unquote requirements. Go ahead and apply for this job. Other skills and ability: proficient in technology applications, including the teller system and maintaining confidentiality of credit union or member records. Computer skills: proficient in Microsoft applications such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Please, please, you guys, go apply for this because for $31, all you have to be is proficient at Microsoft. Are you kidding me? We've been learning Microsoft since we were in high school. Mathematical skills: ability to add, subtract, multiply, divide, and all units of measure using whole numbers, common fractions, and decimal. Ability to compute rates, ratios, and percent, and to draw and interpret bar graphs. That's all you need for this job. Physical demands: the physical demands described here are representative of those that must be met by an employee to successfully perform the essential functions of the job. But you're going to be sitting down. So don't, it says the employee must occasionally lift or move up to 10 pounds, but you're remote, so that really does not matter. But let's get down to work environment. The work environment described here are representatives of the employee's encounters while performing functions of the job. The noise level in the work environment is moderately quiet. It is moderately quiet. But other than that, you're going to be remote. You are going to be remote. This is an absolutely wonderful opportunity for you. Do not sleep on this opportunity. Get the resume kit because the resume kit literally complements this job. You will be able to apply within 10 minutes of getting your kit. Get the kit with the key phrases, the power phrases, and get on this. Let's get into this target. Let's get into the target job, you guys. Okay, so like I said before, this target job is absolutely wonderful. This is a senior analyst performance and insights. This is a remote position, you guys. It says remote or hybrid, but they are leaning toward remote because you might only have to come into the office 4 times per year. So let's get right into this job. So it says the job family is business intelligence reporting and analytics. This is a full-time job, you guys. This is a full-time 6-figure SAM approved big banger job. Apply for this immediately. Okay, let's look into the schedule. It says this is a full time, so it's absolutely full time. And as a Fortune 500 company with more than 350 team members worldwide, Target is an iconic brand and one of America's leading retailers. Okay, so this role, let's drop down to the third paragraph. It says a role within Rodale is an opportunity to be a part of a priority business for Target. Rodale is Target's media business, a sell-side business built on the principles of first-party, people-first data, brand-safe environments, and proof that our marketing programs drive business results for our clients. We are here to drive a key growth initiative for Target and to lead the industry to a better way of operating. So basically, you're going to be working for their side company, their side marketing company, which is Rodale. So basically, think about this. Target is the big umbrella brand, and then Rodale is one of the sister companies or probably a private contractor from Target, but it's their other side of business. So let's get down to what you're actually going to be doing the role. It says as a senior analyst on the performance and insight team, you will engage directly with Rodale's clients to review how their media investments are performing, identify ways to optimize and grow their media investment bring innovation to clients, and elevate their understanding of the target guest. So basically what this role says to me, how I interpret this, is that as a senior analyst, if you have ever done any type of marketing, any type of social media, this would be right up your alley. And you have to play in on those strengths, because it says you will engage with their clientele directly and review how their media investments, how their marketing investments are performing, and give them other ways about how to grow that business. So that is what I interpret that this position is going to be. So, and I'm going to say this, apply. I want you to apply for this, because not only is it a good position, but if you have any type of marketing skills or any type of marketing skills, any type of social media skill, if you have ever sold anything online and did the analytics to it, you would be perfect for this position. Okay, it says who you are. It says 4-year degree or equivalent experience. So you do not need a bachelor's degree, you do not need a master's, associate's, nothing. This is another wonderful, high-paying skills job, and it's SAM approved. It says 4 years of relevant experience in digital media, agency, marketing, or retail. Retail, guys. Retail. It's an experience with client engagement. Like I said, if you have ever sold anything on Facebook Marketplace, you are perfect for this job. Absolutely perfect for this job. Okay, strong analytical skills and ability to judge and quantify results of advertising and know how to present recommendations. Ability to synthesize data sets, in-depth understanding of the digital marketplace, methodical, well-organized, and detail-oriented. Genuine curiosity on how things work, excellent written verbal communication skills, advanced knowledge of Microsoft Excel, and experience with data visualization. This is considered a remote work arrangement based upon target's needs. Based upon target's needs, this is going to be a remote position, you guys. And it says the only thing is work duties cannot be performed outside of the United States. All right, now let's look into this salary range. So the salary range for this, they did not list it. I Googled it. Google what the salary range is, you guys. You're going to get anywhere between 123 and 189. Fight for your salary. You also have other benefits such as a 401k, employee discount, short-term disability, long-term paid sick leave, paid national holidays. You guys apply for this job, get the resume kit, 10 minutes, this is yours. Bye.